Gold against US dollar this week has risen in value. We can see that the price formed a bullish breakout above 2618.75. We can see that the price continued to rise in value on a Tuesday, reaching again next resistance level to 654.09, and then continue to rise again, forming this bullish breakout, validating, and then on Friday the price retreats back down, back to the first support level here. There is a wick on the lower side, which means the price tried to move lower, but the bulls have much more strength than the sellers, so the prices stay above. A weekly, it is another bullish candle. We can see that nothing too strange. A larger wick on the upper side, smaller on the lower side, just suggesting there is much more bull strength than the selling pressure. And the monthly time frame has shown another bullish candle. It is another bullish breakout above 2550.00, forming all-time high price level here, reaching this area, not showing any weaknesses right now. So what we can expect in the next month? While it is a bullish completely month, I need to go to the lower time frames, the daily, especially to watch what are the next support and resistance levels. And we can see the next resistance level will be 2736.97. Now, what will the price do in between these price levels, in between the support and the resistance level? It is something that we need to watch on the lower time frame. 4-hour time frame, 1-hour time frame. This is something I am watching every day, and also sharing the daily analysis here on the YouTube. But if you would also to check the free PDF with the strategy I'm using, how to create this support and the resistance levels, and how to trade this one, all the symbols. It's not limited to any, or especially on the gold. You can use that free PDF. The link will be below in the description. So this is all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading. That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.